My name is Kinga Pshuk and I will be leading a workshop called Creative Methods for Biosphere Entrepreneurship. In this workshop, we will start by exploring different methods that can help us connect to the nature and understand nature better. They can help us to put ourselves in the shoes of nature. With that perspective in mind, we can start thinking of different solutions and different ideas and creations that can help create positive impact for people and nature. The students will work in groups, and the final product will be a presentation where they come up with an idea. It can be a business idea, it can be innovation, it can be a tool, an app. But they won't only have the presentation, they also will have the future, because the part of the presentation will be to think about the world in, let's say, 50 years with that innovation in mind. So as a final product, the presentation basically, or the idea includes also a future world. So the workshop is really for anyone. Anyone who feel like they would like to be inspired by nature more in the way they think about the world and about their work and creations and innovations that they want to create. Anyone who wants to get more comfortable with experimenting and working with their own subjectivity in a credible and legitimate way. And really anyone from different fields that feels like they want to contribute to a more positive future for people and nature.